All right, traders, it's Tim with Irvin here. Today we have an exciting topic and that I know it will surely grab your attention. Forex trading for beginners. Whether you are new to the world of investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, forex trading can be a great opportunity to generate substantial profit. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna be explaining you how to use multiple time frame, how to use the dashboard, where to look for entry, where to be in an exit, and so forth. So I'm gonna explain you step by step how you're gonna be doing this. So but welcome to our forex basic video. So let's go with the very first pair of the day, guys, and that it is GBP USD. Boom! Pay close attention, guys. This is the way we're gonna be doing it, guys. So I want you to pay first thing first, guys, that you must look here is the dashboard. Look at here. The dashboard will give you the answer of what is happening in real data. All right, so all I want just to give you a clear information, guys. When the trend is bullish, you're gonna be getting this green stairs. When the market is bearish, you're gonna be getting these red stairs. Okay, so you're always gonna get the signal saying Tim with Irvin sell, and this arrow will show up. The signal once again Tim with Irvin a buy, and the yellow arrow will show up. This there is going bullish. Okay, so just to give you that information so you won't get confused. All right, so first thing first, guys, is always pay attention to the dashboard. We're looking into the what is the 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. It's very important, guys, in day trading, to know in which time frame you need to be doing your daily strategy, because involve executing multiple trade within a day, aiming to profit for a short term and price. Well, guys, just bake this down. Bottom line, I just don't want to confuse you. All right, so now that we know the GBP USD is in a buy trend, now what we're gonna be doing next, guys, is we are gonna be moving to reality, real trend, real time. So here it is. Look at here. Like I said, all we know, market is bullish, right? Now this is what we're looking for here. We're looking for our TW sniper entry to let us know in which direction we are right now. So last Friday the market left us in a buy trend. Look at here. Look at the signal. Look at here. Boom, 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 boom. Look at where the market is going. Boom. It's going bullish. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer before I did the weekly analysis. If you love to trade, enter under your trade on 15 minutes, boom, that's a buy trend. If you use it on 30 minutes, boom, that's a buy trend. If you use it on 1 hour, boom, that's a buy trend. Either time frame is in a buy trend. So that's why trading with multiple time frame, it will make your life easier. If you guys want me to teach you guys how to do all this behind scene, step by step, make sure you let me know. There's a link in the description of this video. For $9.99, you will sit behind me, behind my shoulder, and you will see everything, how to break it down and so forth. Okay, so now what is the explanation for GBP USD for this coming week? Oh, I know, guys, market is still bullish. In my opinion, guys, market is gonna go all the way to level 1.26950. From here, market is gonna give us a signal letting us know that it's time for a reversal. So the reversal is gonna come here, coming back down to our 23.6 Fibonacci, then it's gonna go bullish. So the whole reason that I'm saying it's gonna do a reversal, guys, is because if you pay attention here, here's your shoulder 1, and here's gonna be your shoulder 2, and here's the head. So market is getting close for the pullback, but in the meantime here, market's still gonna be pushing back to the level that I just mentioned it. And then most likely probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, we're gonna be looking for that reversal, then continuation of the trend. So overall, GBP USD, guys, still in a buy trend. Look at your RSI. The RSI is also confirming that that's true. The market here is bullish, and that's exactly what we're looking for here, and that's exactly what the dashboard is telling us. So far, guys, everything here has been executed as a buy trend. So, you know, in Forex trading basic strategy, guys, we need to learn rules, guys. Trading with rules is very important, guys. You know, open a demo account if you don't know how to trade. Make sure you don't over trade. You need to educate yourself, and Forex trading requires knowledge and understanding. Take advantage of your online courses. If you are subscribed to someone, read books and learn by, you know, all the mentors, but make sure they teach you reality. Because look, people need to be teaching you what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Some of you might be like, wait a minute, how the hell they gonna know what is gonna happen? Well, that's why you do your weekly analysis. This is, look, I've been telling you all these trends since it commenced. Week after week after week, I'm breaking it down. If I'm wrong, you will see it on the video, but the proof is there. So they need to know how to read back data with the future as well. So remember, we're not 100% that everything is gonna work out, but at least you have an educated opinion. For instance, pay close attention what gold. Gold is gonna be the last pair that I'm gonna give you. I've been telling you that since all the movement it has been doing. Now you will see another movement this week. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna show you is GBP JPY. Boom! Pay close attention, guys. Pay close attention. Look at here. I'm not gonna give you the answer. Look. So here's the signal. Look at that. When the market gave us the signal here that it says Tinwood Irving sell, you're gonna get this red there saying the market here is selling. Look at what happened. Boom. Look at the signal again. Came in here, said Tinwood Irving a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Look at where the market went. Boom. So all we know, market is bullish. Now, pay close attention to the dashboard, guys. The dashboard has the answer of what you're looking for, guys. Look at that. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame doing here? Look at here. Boom. It's telling us, hey, we are in a buy position. Look, hopefully the world don't take sell on GBP JPY, because right now the market is only going in one direction only, and that is bullish. That's what I said earlier, guys. If you don't know how to trade, start with a demo account. Most brokers offer demo account. They allow you to practice trading without risking real money. Utilize this opportunity to hone your skills and develop your strategy. Is very, very, very important. All right, so now let me delete everything. Let me just highlight only the dashboard, so you will see that in here we are only in a buy trend. Let's look at the real data, real time, and so it matters. Look at here. Boom. Look at that. Look, pay close attention. Where is your dashboard? Telling you. Look at here. The dashboard is telling me, hurry, Irving, I'm in a buy position, right? That's all you know. Then what is your TWE sniper entry doing? Look at here. Boom. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading, guys? The stair is only going in one direction only, and that it is. What do you think it is, guys? It's already there. So you cannot say they are not telling you. Market here is only going in one direction only. It's only going bullish. That's all you're seeing. It's not doing anything else. Please do not take any sell. Now, since we're in a buy position, let me delete all these drawings so you will not get confused. Just look at the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer ahead of time. So in here, in my opinion, guys, since market is still bullish, market is gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame one more time. We're looking here for a red arrow stating that it's time for the market to do a pullback. The pullback is gonna drop down to our 38.2 Fibonacci, then we'll resume back to business. Look at here, the market has been bullish since when, guys? The market has been bullish since beginning of this March, April, May, guys. 3 months market has been going bullish. So it's time for the market to give us a pullback, so we, all the sellers, can make some money coming down on GBP JPY. But overall, right now, unfortunately, the market is still very strong, going bullish. All right, Any question, guys, please let me know, guys. Do also a quick reminder, guys, risk management is one of the most critical aspect of trading, is managing your risk, guys. Do not overtrade, guys. Set a stop loss or order limit to a potential losses, and never risk more than what you can afford to lose in this business. Please, guys, just listen to me, please. All right, so let me give you the next pair, guys. The next pair is one of the pair that I'll be trading, and that is Euro USD. Boom! Pay close attention to the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard telling you here? Look at, you got the answer, guys. I'm making money on this pair, on this drop. This is brand new drop, guys. Brand new drop on Euro USD, and it's gonna continue making sale on this coming week, guys, the week of May 8th to the 12th. Same thing with gold, guys. Gold is the next pair, but play close attention because I get super excited, guys, and just bear with me, okay?
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, trust me, I'm making money on Euro USD. Now let me show you the real data, because that's all it matters, right? That's what you're here for, guys. You are here only to read real data. Don't look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard give you the answer before we do the analysis. Look at now. Now you are here with me. Look at here. Guys, if you do not make money on Euro USD on this drop, I don't know what the hell to tell you. But remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal. This is for educational purpose. Do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. If you need help, let me know, and I will teach you how to look for this beautiful setup. But Euro USD will be making hundreds. So what? And hundreds of pips coming on that sell position. Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the multiple time frame telling us here? Boom! It's telling us, hey, Irvin, I'm in a sell position. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom! What is the stairs doing, guys? Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Look at what the market is coming. It's coming slowly, but look at what is gonna happen this week, guys. Market is gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level, brand new level, because it has never been actually been tested previously here. Actually 1, 2, 3 multiple time frame, which is gonna come to your 50 Fibonacci level. Then from there, market is gonna go back to giving us a small retracement, retesting this previous multiple time frame, which is your 38.2 Fibonacci, and then boom, market will be selling on Euro USD. Guys, keep your emotion in check. Emotion can cloud your judgment and lead to an impulsive decision. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan, guys. If you are trading multiple time frames, stick to your plan. Stay disciplined. Discipline is the key of your life, guys. In every point of view, you can see it. Remember, learn, play, and profit. Play out your trade first. Figure out where you want to enter and exit. Why you are gonna even put your money on your hard work money into the trade, guys. Put your emotion away from the trade, guys. Remember, in this business, you're gonna lose some time, guys. It's not 100% guarantee. Someone offer you a system that is 100% guarantee, guys. You guys in the wrong business, guys. That's what I'm saying. Learn, play, and profit, guys. Practice in a demo if you don't know. Like that, your emotion is not on the trade. All right. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna show you, it is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is, guys. That it is gold. Boom! Pay close attention to the dashboard. What it is your dashboard telling you here, guys. Look, I'm gonna circle it. Actually, let me make a box. Look, I'm gonna create it. Here's a war, guys. Gold is in a war right now. So what are you gonna do? Why the 4 hours is showing me the market is selling, and why the daily time frame is showing me that I'm in a buy position? That is an XXX in there, guys. This is what I will teach you behind scene if you want me to teach you how to look for market setup and so forth in here on the Forex Trading, guys. So let me know. The link is on the description of this video if you want me to show you. But now let me go to reality, real data, because that's what all it matters in this video. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Guys, I'll be giving you all this pair. I remember when I gave you this pair when the market gave us this drop. Then I told you, hey guys, market will be going in a bullish trend, retesting this previous multiple time frame. That's exactly what it did, guys. That is exactly what happened. Now, this is a new week. Here's the new setup for this coming week, guys. This is all I can tell you, guys. Market here. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. Look at the dashboard. Here's our 4 hours telling her we're in a buy and a sell position. So this sell here, guys, is considered a pullback. So market is in a pullback. Remember, the original trend here is in a buy trend. So pullback is gonna come and retest your 61.8 Fibonacci here, and then from there market will continue on that 38.2, which is previous multiple time frame. Then it's gonna make a more retracement. By then the week is over, guys. But all I can tell you that this week gold will be selling, and that sell equal what? Equal a pullback. If you do not know how to trade pullback, do not trade it, guys, because like I said, you know, you need to educate yourself. Forex trading requires knowledge and understanding. Take advantage of our online courses, guys. There's books, there's all the search to learn the fundamental and keep up with the latest market trend, guys. If you don't know how to read the trend, well, I don't know what to tell you guys, but one of you guys need help. I'm here for you guys. Hey guys, I want to congratulate you for being here, for having, you know, now a solid foundation on the Forex trading for beginners. Remember, successful trading takes time and practice, guys. So don't get discouraged by your initial setback. Stay consistent. Keep learning, guys. Adapt it to changing market conditions and dedicate yourself to learn how to look for setup. Use our multiple time frame, guys. Use our multiple time frame. Guys, I want to thank everybody for being here, guys. I want to tell you that I really appreciate everything you do. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world. God bless Ukraine. And God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, I will see you guys back on our next episode. Remember, let's trade with Tim with Urban. Boom. Hasta la vista. Bye-bye.